What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out MISAMO Confetti. When did this come out, actually? Let me double check. Yes, your boy's still in Hawaii. It's actually my last day here, but I decided to check out a bunch of K-pop music videos. Well, J-pop right here. I mean, they're twice members from K-pop, but these are Japanese members. This came out 13 days ago. Oh, I am late. I need to upload this as soon as possible. I love MISAMO. I love their sound. I love their last comeback, and it is their new comeback. Yeah. Well, without further ado, be sure to check out the Patreon, link in the description down below. We do first listens over there, and long form format like shows and movies. It is free to join, and you can subscribe for $1. Be sure to check that out. Twitch live streams are coming back again. We be playing games over there. I usually do. I rather want to do gaming. I do want to do more gaming over there than just K-pop talk, but I do some K-pop talking, like, you know, reactions over there too. You know, you guys go follow me over there and join the lives over there when I go live. What else? Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And yeah, MISAMO Confetti. Let's get it. Let's go. Do I need captions? Oops. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, there we go. All right, 3, 2, 1, bow. You see the sun shining on my face. Oh, Mina. I missed them. I wasn't there to see them live. I'm so mad. Act. Oh. Ooh, damn, Momo. Damn, everybody, damn. Very old school sounding too. Oh my god. A stage without a script. Oh, Sana. Oh, I love the visuals of this already. Oh. Wait, the outfits. Ooh. Hey! Oh my god, Mina! Oh, guns! Change it up? Okay, Bond. Show me. Oh my god, Momo. Oh my god, they all look good. I mean, Sana. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, is that a skull dancing with him? I love it. Is that electricity going through them? Drop it to the ground. Oh, she slays so much. Oh, the hair. Those have to be wigs, right? Yeah. Mina's hair too. Woo! Wow. It's so colorful. I mean, for a song called Confetti, it better be. Look at it. It's oh my god, it's already done. I just realized. Love the outfits. I love this. Oh my god, and Mina too. My god. I can't let it just be over. Through the rabbit holes. Why does it feel like an end of a Pixar movie? Wow. Did they perform this live at their concert? At the tour? I haven't seen any, like... Damn, this sun is, like, blinding me. I haven't seen any footage, like, live footage of, like, full live footage. I've seen clips, but not, like, full live footage. Definitely, I've seen some clips. Okay. MISAMO Confetti music video. Wow. So vibrant. It has a very, I don't know what's the musical term or genre that this is. Maybe I could see if it says it here. But very, only thing I want to say is old school, but it's not just old school. It's like almost like a classic old school. I don't want to say ragtime. Is it ragtime? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. But I love this subunit. This is one of my favorite subunits. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Leave in the comments down below what you guys think of the music, the song, the music, like the overall sense of MISAMO Confetti. I think the dancers did their thing. I love the little like skull like dancers as well. It felt like a storybook come to life almost. All right, y'all. Well, be sure to check out the Patreon. Twitch live streams are coming back. Check out my Instagram. Again, I haven't really pushed my Facebook, my new Facebook of Just Random Every Day. Just type in Just Random Every Day and you can find me. Be sure to follow me there. I'll be posting over there too. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.